Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download crypto.com on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download crypto.com on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Microsoft Edge browser. Reminder guys, you can't use any other web browser, you must only use Microsoft Edge in order for this to work. But if you don't have a Microsoft Edge, you can download it on Chrome easily. Just search for Microsoft Edge download and then you will now be able to find the website where you can download it. And once you already have your Microsoft Edge, just go and open it. And once you're on your Microsoft Edge, next, you will need to go to the official website of crypto.com, so just go and search this. And after searching, you will then be able to see this website, which is the official website of crypto.com, so just go and open it. By the way guys, make sure that the website that you will open is exactly this website, which has a sign up at the title. This way, you will be able to log in or create your new crypto.com account. And once you're on the crypto.com website, let me now show you how you can download the app. So to do that, first, I want you to click this 3 dots at the top. And then select the apps option. And after that, you will now be able to see this install this site as an app option right here. Just go and click it. And then just set the app name as crypto.com. And after setting the name, you can now click the install button. And then there you go guys, it's done. Your crypto.com app will now be installed, so just go and log in or create your account and then you will be able to use it. And by the way guys, you might notice that even after installing crypto.com, you might still not find the app on your desktop home screen. So if you want to fix that, just go back to your crypto.com app. And once you're on the app, I want you to click this 3 dots right here. Then select App Settings. And finally, for the last step, just click this Create a Desktop Shortcut button to add the app to your desktop home screen. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your crypto.com app will now be on your desktop home screen. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.